Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. In this video, we will walk you through on how to avoid copyright claim and show your content on For You page on TikTok. If TikTok keeps flagging your content as copyright and ineligible to show in For You page, then follow these steps. Go to your profile section and click on the three horizontal lines at the top right. Click on YouTube Studio. Click the gear icon at the top right. Toggle on Video Sound Copyright Check. Each time you upload a video, TikTok will notify you if it has copyright content. When uploading your video, add sound by clicking the option from the top screen. Now click on Volume. Turn down the sound volume you just added, then proceed to post. This way your content won't be flagged for copyright and will appear on FYP. That is it for today, and thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.